Would you hire
Okay.
again? And if you wanted to just talk a little bit about whatever your answer is, I have a feeling it's yes, but maybe why you would, why you're glad you made the decision to hire us to begin with. Mhm.
Yes, I would definitely refer you to my friends, and I think hiring BeeSmart is one of the best decisions I've ever made. And I'm not good at social media. I don't like it. I don't want to learn it. And you guys have just taken it beyond where I ever thought it could go. You're perfect ambassadors for me and my company and my brand and the things that I hold dear. So I would absolutely, I'm never letting you go.
Well,
and
we
and I would
will
definitely refer you.
well, thank you, sir. That means, that means a lot because we do really, that's what we want to hear all of our clients say, but we really, that means a lot to me personally. And I know it will mean a lot to the team when I share it with them.